Hello everyone. Today we are going to dive into the two fundamental SQL concepts, the select statement and the select distinct statement. These are essential tools for retrieving data from a database, and understanding how to use them will give you a strong foundation in SQL. Introduction to your select statements. Let's start with the select statement. The select statement is used to fetch data from one or more tables in database. It allows you to specify the columns you want to retrieve, and it's one of the most commonly used commands in SQL. This is the basic syntax for select statement. Select followed by column names, column 1 or column 2 or whatever the column names from the table name in the database which we are going to retrieve the data from. So yeah, let's make this as a command. Now for this example, we are going to use this world database. So if it is not activated, double click on the world database to activate. You can activate database by double clicking on the database. See the bold characters in the sense the database active. We are going to select world database. Then if we see from tables, we have three tables in this database. One is city, one is country, and one is country language. In we use city for our example. City, there is a column named ID, it is integer, and name, country code, district, and population. So what we're gonna do is we are going to retrieve data from using this select statement. So write yes select and the column names, name, use comma, and we are going to extract district from the table name city. Then semicolon, selecting this line, press Ctrl plus Enter. Now you can see the query is executed successfully and we have got name and district. If you want to select all the columns in the database, you don't want to go by all the column names in the table. You just use the same statement, select and type asterisk, you or star, anything you may call. It is present in the keyboard at the top rows, number 8 button. Press that. So you can use this asterisk to get all columns from the table. So you don't need to type each column name manually. You just use this asterisk to get all the columns into your query. We executed it successfully and got all the columns. So let's dive into SQL's select distinct statement. Select distinct statement, what it does means, you can see here that in the country code, the AF of AFG is repeated several times. The select distinct statement removes duplicate values and gives only unique values. So what it does means, here there are 4 instances of AFG. It will remove other duplicates and gives only one AFG in our answer. Let's write query for that. Select distinct and give the column name we want it to be distinct. In this case, we want country code to be the distinct one. So we just give country code from table city. So you can see the query is successfully executed and we only got this unique values A, B, W, A, F, G, A, G, O, A, I, O, A, L, B, A, U, S, like that. So we can use aggregate functions like count. Let's execute this. You can see there are 232 unique results in our table. So I hope you understand how select and select distinct works. Make sure to subscribe to Data Learn for more tutorials. Thank you.